What's up, Airsofters? Clayton callsign Felix here, and today I have a little bit of footage from a place in southern Wisconsin called The Siege. Right now we're picking teams to play on a field called The Boat. Today I'm running with my Kalashnikov AK-47 with electric blowback.
Yeah.
Hey, that's my only automatic right now. Yeah, that'd be nice. You got a SOCOM. Oh no, you gotta go out there and get picked. They're picking teams. Just over there, by the rest of that group.
Luckily, they picked both of my teammates. Alongside of me here to my right is Connor, wearing his multicam loadout, running a CAA M4A1. And walking over right now is our newest member, Hunter, also running a M4 carbine. And last but not least, we have Josh from the southern Wisconsin branch. He is currently using my CYMA AK-47 with the drum mag. Today it was my spare weapon. I'll be sure to put a link to Josh's Instagram in the description, as well as a link to Ryan's Instagram, who unfortunately during this game was put onto the other team. So basically for this field, we're just doing 3 rounds of team deathmatch, and we're sticking with the same team, there's no switch-ups. For the first round, we're starting on the close side, and our enemies are heading over to the far side of the map. I think from here I'll just kind of let the clip speak for itself.
Saw that on the feed from my camera, I'm like, you're fucking stupid. Run and shoot, run and shoot. We got 2 guys coming up with melee over here. I don't know why.
Tell me why I move.
Oh. Yep. These rounds are going to be pretty quick. We're going to need more. One round. You look clear right over here, though. On this side of the field.
Hey, you. Go on the other side of this white field. There's a guy right here in the box.
Go on that side, fire out that way.
Okay. He's in the box right in front of us.
Box right in front of our 2 friendlies right here.
Okay. How about the friendly fire here?
Yeah. Oh, I got range way over there. Holy fuck. You see someone pop out across the field, let me know, I got range. Moving up to your position right in the middle.
Hey, guy right behind this one. Up there.
Yeah.
Hey, you. Go over next. This thing right here, get on the left side of it, though, the triangle thing. And I'll move to the one next to you with the circles.
Okay.
Ready? Set.
I'll cover fire for you.
Are you gonna go?
Ready?
I'm gonna go.
You go first. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Okay, 1 second, reloading.
Right there.
What?
Just cover me while I move.
Okay, wait, 1 second. Don't move up over there yet. I'm covering this guy. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. All right.
Hey, Nick, cover me.
We can pretty much just walk across the field now.
One up there, the 2 spools and the pallets. Right up there, right there. In that corner. Right there.
Yeah, they don't see us though.
I'm out.
Oh, there's someone right up here. Yeah, there's a guy peeking right up here.
At the time, I was actually unaware that I hit the enemy, and it it was actually the second to last kill of the game.
Oh, oh, someone got his hand. Holy shit.
It's not up here.
Yeah, right up here. That building. Watch where I'm firing. Right there.
Okay. Second, third?
Second from us. What? There's one left? Oh, he must have tried to run out. Picking new teams or what?
Let's say same team.
My team comes away with the win in the first round, so now we're switching sides of the field and starting the second round.
I'm gonna go to that side because it's on my priority firing arm.
Alright, we're gonna head up the right then.
Alright.
Alright, we're gonna head up left then? Where we go? I'll head up left with you. Yeah.
Hunter and I decide to stick to the white buildings on the far left of the map.
This time I make sure the safety's off.
Should I try and hit him? Should I get him? Should I just get him out right at the start?
If you can, do it. I don't think they'll go out. You know, if we let him come up the middle, we can corner him and flank him.
Oh, and over here. Crossing. Hey, fire across. Watch out.
Oh, we're lining up. Let's use the whole thing.
He's right behind that far. Right here.
Oh, right
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
You got him?
No. Oh, someone got him though.
Covering this side. Watch out, Clayton. Watch out.
He doesn't have range. You don't even have range.
What?
No, not you. The guy shooting at us with a pistol.
That's the range, so I'm going to pop him when he picks that out.
Watch out, we still have that guy pushing up on the far left over here. The guy's out.
The guy's still sitting there with the pistol.
Woo!
You got a hit? Nice.
Yeah.
Alright, he's going out.
What?
Out. I
Yeah, well.
him.
Well, he only has a pistol. He's not getting good range.
No, he's not.
Woo! Just gonna keep watching this side. It's my priority side.
Okay. We got really good range on that.
Yeah.
Where's that guy with the pistol? Behind the boat?
Oh, he got out.
Good.
Or just ran out.
There's a guy way back there.
There's a guy aiming across the field right there. Hey, I don't know how much range you got over there behind the two spools, whatever. Got a guy on our far left over here. We also got guys pushing up right behind us.
I can't reach out that far. There's a guy way on our on the
We
right
have guys
side.
pushing right over here.
Alright. Guy on the right side of the corner. I don't know if he can hit us or not. Alright. I'm gonna be over you. Okay. Whoa.
Okay. I wasn't sure if you fired at us because it hit right here.
I'm like, oh, get back in. Right there.
Okay. Why don't you give me covering fire against anyone that you see coming up? I'll check a guy on the far.
Right
there.
there.
Two spoils. But just watch right over here. I'm gonna move up to this cover and try and get an angle on these guys.
Alright.
On 3, 2, 1.
Right here I look back to locate Connor, and Hunter gets shot out.
Hey, right out here.
I'm out. I got hit. I'm not sure if it was a ricochet or not. It was very light hit.
Now I'm out in the open. Fuck.
Now both me and Connor are trapped center field with no supporting fire.
that side. Connor, there's a guy pushing up on that side. Yep, I see him. So I'm firing on. Got a guy right down center field. Fuck. I fucking can't. I'm pinned down. I got a guy right over here. Watch out, he's peeking you. See that white box just across over here? Okay, white box across from us over here. There's a guy hiding behind it. Careful. He's shooting just over you. Yeah, you got two guys right behind the white box over there. One guy in center field, three over there, one over there. Me, Connor, guy there, guy over here.
What do we have against us? There's a guy right behind me.
3 or 4. Couldn't be that many though. Maybe around 2 or 3. If you want to give me covering fire, I can move up behind you. Just hold on. Let me spot someone. The second container after yours, not the one right behind yours, but the one after that. Okay, 3, 2, 1, fire. Shit, we still got Hello Kitty on this side.
Yeah, let's reload before you move up again.
Huh? Oh, that's fine. I made it. Pop, motherfucker, pop. Who? Who got hit? Who called a hit? You know who called a hit?
He's over there.
Okay, enemy?
Yeah.
Right behind that where the purple spotter is. You can see a shadow. He has the Hello Kitty. Moving up behind you.
You gotta take my spot. I'll run around the box and run on the right.
Tell me to use one dominant hand here.
It's you. You gotta go with me, kid? I'll turn up on the box. Just gonna play the other side. Ready?
3.
Move to the triangle thing first, then I'll go just right around you.
Give me a countdown and I'll fire on this side so you can
Alright, ready? So move right to the box in 3, and then the next 3, I'll go all the way around you 2 on, alright? I know, I see him. Ready? 1, 2.
Right behind it. There's another one behind that.
Another one? Here, let me
Yeah,
see.
two boxes back. Just right from the top out.
Just go to the triangle. Alright, fire for him to get to the triangle. Ready? Go. Get down. Alright, you're good. There's 2 of them. There's one, another box behind.
I know, Hello Kitty's right over here still too.
I want to get Hello Kitty right now.
You guys got a wrench on you?
Not on me, up in my bag, but start it. Ran out of air.
Not against the boat.
1 sec.
Shit.
Just stay there
I wish
for
I
a
had my
second.
slider.
It'll be fine.
Oh, yeah.
Hey,
Knife?
You can guess if you got it.
I'm thinking we go.
Not on me.
I'm thinking we just go around them like this.
Are they still behind that one canister thing?
They're
Right-
behind both
right here.
these things.
He ran back. He's running back.
Wait, is that it? Is that all he's there?
No, there's a couple of them down the line.
One more? Somebody cover for you?
No, hold on. Just wait. You'll get shot right out. They're watching that corner. I don't have an angle on them.
Cover fire!
That was Connor letting us know that he was pinning down the enemy and that we were safe to move up.
Holy shit! He's like right next to us. He's in the open field. Get up, go around quickly on that angle. You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
I'm out of CO2.
Oh shit, Hello Kitty's back there. Every time.
Son of a bitch.
Right behind the one after us. Shit.
You didn't even shoot me, holy crap.
No, you hit.
And I was reloading.
Yeah. I think you hit his gun twice, and then I was like, oh, I'm not hit.
We were all a little bit confused at how he didn't manage to kill me, but it looks like I got the game-winning kill, and it was on the guy that we were trying to hunt for a little while with the pink Hello Kitty gun.
I got you in the hand. Sorry, bro.
Rambo. Shot me in the ass.
Oh, yeah, I know. Okay, God, thank
It
you.
was a very hot day for Wisconsin weather, so here's just me being a little bit dramatic.
Thanks for fixing my car, and I don't hear right now.
Oh. I'm good. The camera's still on, isn't it?
Oh, I see. Yes, it's on.
I'm dead.
You survived your round. I don't think you're dead.
Oh, wait, nope.
Unfortunately, the footage of the third round, which was semi-auto only, did get corrupted. But we did win that round as well. So we were victorious in all 3 rounds, and I don't know if it was the teams or what, but oh well. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you next time. This is Clayton Falser signing off.